In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone and customize an AI lead automation workflow in n8n for real estate. This automation captures property inquiries from a form, uses artificial intelligence to analyze each lead, assigns a score, and instantly alerts you when a serious buyer appears. It combines OpenAI for analysis, Airtable for storage, and Gmail for notifications, so you can focus on qualified prospects instead of sifting through every submission. Start by cloning the existing n8n workflow into your workspace so you're not building from scratch. Once it's open, begin with the Form Trigger node. Name it On-Form Submission and add fields for full name, email, budget range, preferred location, purchase timeline, and property type. This form is your entry point. Whenever someone submits it, the workflow kicks off automatically. Feel free to adjust labels to match your brand, but keep the intent of each field the same so the AI can interpret it correctly. Next, add the OpenAI chat model node and select the model named GPT-4o Mini. This is the AI engine behind your analysis. Connect this node to the information extractor node as its language model so the extractor can use it to understand and structure the text. Add the information extractor node and point it to the form data. Configure its prompt to analyze the name, email, budget, location, timeline, and property type. In addition to pulling those details into structured fields, have it estimate urgency, calculate a lead score, and determine lead quality. The goal here is to convert raw text into clear, consistent values like a budget range, an urgency level, and a numeric score you can act on. Now add a set node and rename it to edit fields. Create a new field called Qualified, and set it with an expression that returns true when the score is greater than or equal to 70. This creates a simple, transparent rule for what counts as a qualified lead. Add an if node that checks whether qualified equals true. Only leads that pass this condition will move forward to alerts and your database. On the true branch, add a Gmail node. Use the subject line, New Qualified Real Estate Lead. In the body, include the name, email, location, budget, timeline, and lead score, so you can follow up quickly without opening n8n. Finally, add an Airtable node set to create record. Choose your base and table, then map name, email, budget, location, timeline, and score. This builds a searchable history of high-quality buyers. Your finished flow goes Form Trigger to Information Extractor to edit fields, to if, with the true branch sending a Gmail notification and creating an Airtable record. Test with a sample submission, confirm the email and record appear, and you're ready to work only the leads that matter.